harvesting this one straight away. I will tell you why we're not harvesting that one, because it's only been 19 days, and we need it to be 24 days before harvesting. So yeah, we've only got to wait 5 more days. That's going to be exciting. So I'll get straight into it. Okay, start spritzing. So I forgot to introduce Stubble from Pokemon Sword. So Stubble is off the new game, well, not quite new anymore, but he's from Sword and Shield, Pokemon Sword and Shield. He's the Pokemon that I chose for my starter Pokemon, and he's just adorable. Look at that face. Look at it. So I'll see you later on in the day for Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. So goodbye. Hello and welcome back to Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms. Today we're going to be spritzing them. Today I'm going to be talking about some specific mushrooms. So let's get straight into it. These 2 mushrooms are the best growing mushrooms in the whole thing. Well, mostly this one because it's the biggest, and that means it's going to be the juiciest. But that one looks super yummy. Not as yummy as this one. So I'm going to get straight into spritzing. So I'm ready for you tomorrow to see my next update for Ethan Does Growing Mushrooms Day 20.